What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this new job. We have a couple guys up on the garage right now getting sheetrock nailers in and then solid blocking every 4 feet between the first two floor beams. But I'm about to hop in our forklift and come over here. I have to grab this tongue and groove, but they stacked some OSB on the top and strapped it together here. So I'll have to pull these like six, I think it's six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces off the top here. And then I can grab this OSB, stack this on top of the other pile here, and then we can bring all of the tongue and groove over to the garage. This sucks. Let me check the weather real quick. We thought we made it through the rain. Let's see what it says. Well, it shows 49% at 12, thunderstorms at 1, partly sunny at 2. Might be getting rained out. All right, guys, we got a little break of rain, so we're gonna try and get some of this plywood on. We don't need the wiper on. We do need to get some fresh air in here and defog this thing because I cannot see. All right, guys, we made it out, got the plywood lifted up to the second floor. These guys are getting ready to throw it down, but we are making a muddy mess here, and there's a chance of more rain. More than likely it's gonna happen. It's saying 65% thunderstorms at 1 o'clock, and it is about 11:50 right now, so just over an hour. Hopefully it doesn't happen and this starts to dry out before we need the rest of the plywood. But my father was bringing us a big tarp to cover this building once we got the plywood down, but with all this rain coming, I'm gonna run and buy a brand new one right now because he wouldn't be here till later this afternoon, and if the thunderstorms do come, there's a chance that we might get rained out and he might not make it. So I'm gonna go and get us a tarp. That way, once we have some plywood down on the second floor, we can at least get it covered and it won't swell up on us. So I'm gonna leave these guys to work on the plywood and I'll be back.
Let's go.
All right guys, we are just about done for the day. We got all of the tongue and groove on and we set most of our exterior plates around here. They are 6-foot walls on the side, gable back, gable front, and pretty simple. There's no interior walls here at all. I think there will be a wall around the stairwell here, but that is pretty much it. It's just a wide open second floor in this garage just for storage. So good progress today with all of the rain that we had. It is about to rain again. You can see the gray clouds on it. It has been on and off rain all day today. We got absolutely dumped on this morning, but we're about to pull the tarp up and get this covered. I think I just felt a raindrop right now actually. So we got to get this covered real quick before we leave for the night. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions and comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.